Welcome, and in this video I am going to show you how to make payment on your PREPRZ invoices. So what we do is it's free to start with PREPRZ, and all you really do is send us in your product. We service the prepping and shipping into Amazon FBA, and once your order is complete and it's on its way to Amazon, that's when we will send you your invoice. All right, so there's no contract up front, no setup fee, nothing. It's just straight up go ahead and put a submission in, sign up for free, put a submission in for an order, and then we'll take care of the rest from there, and then prep your products and send them into FBA. So once we send you your invoice, you'll get a email notification, as well as it will be inside your private PREPRZ portal. So on the menu here to the left, you're going to click on my invoices. All right, so each invoice will have its own line. So say you got invoice 1, invoice 2, invoice 3, there'll be different lines here. But in this portal right now, I only got one invoice in there. So right here will say the total of that invoice that needs to be paid. All right, and these will be the actual names and the invoice numbers and whatnot. Down here we'll have the total that you owe on each invoice, and how much you've paid on each invoice, and the balance of your invoice. All right, so where you see it highlighted here, you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to the invoice, which you can view the itemized services that we did for you. So, and it'll have the rate for each service that we've done, how many we've done. Like say that was a 300 SKU prep order. Well, that will be changed to 300, and so on and so on, and your total will be here. And now if you needed to save this invoice for your filing for your expenses, you can go ahead and hit the download button, and it'll give you a PDF which you can print out. All right, so how to pay this invoice is very easy. You'll just click on this pay now button, and it'll take you to PayPal. PayPal is more convenient for both of us, so meaning pretty much everybody is used to using PayPal. So PayPal is how we get paid. PayPal is how you can pay your invoices. All right, so very simple way to get us paid and get your invoices paid. And to view your past invoices, right here on the menu will be past invoices, and it'll be again an itemized list of your past invoices that you can click on and view and download and see what you've paid for the year or so. All right, so very easy way to pay your invoices. See you guys in the next video.